Limits at infinity. Find the limit if it exists. Limit of x minus 6 over x to the second plus 3 as x approaches negative infinity. Let's get started. To find the limit as x approaches negative infinity of a rational function like this one right here, we focus on the denominator and we look for the highest degree term, and that's the second degree. So the term is x to the second. So we end up dividing the top side and the bottom side by x to the second. Every single term on top and bottom side by x to the second. And the reason we could do that is x is not 0. We are approaching negative infinity, so at that location x cannot of course be 0. So equals limit as x approaches negative infinity. I'm gonna write it down with some space so I could come back and divide by x to the second, and I'll show you in just a second what do I mean. So we will divide this by x to the second. That's why I gave it some space underneath, minus 6 over x to the second, and we'll divide by this and this by x to the second. Equals limit as x approaches negative infinity of the following: 1 over x, 1 of the x cancels, we could divide by x because x is not 0, minus 6 times 1 over x to the second over 1, that's to replace x to the second over x to the second, plus 3 times 1 over x to the second. Let's go to the right so it'll have more room. Equals limit as x approaches negative infinity of 1 over x minus 6 times limit 1 over x to the second over limit (1) as x approaches negative infinity plus 3 times limit 1 over x to the second as x approaches negative infinity. Now we have to know how 1 over x looks like and 1 over x to the second looks like. So this will be 1 over x, and here 1 over x to the second, something like this. Of course it's endless. Now, understanding limits of the basic functions 1 over x and 1 over x to the second, we go back to the problem and we'll answer it, which equals to we have 0 minus 6 times 0 over 1 plus 3 times 0. Limit of 1 over x to the second as x approaches negative infinity is 0. And limit 1 over x as x approaches negative infinity is also 0. this will end up 0 minus 0 over 1 plus 0, 0 over 1, which is 0. And that's the answer.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.